Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Trendy Fashion. I hope you all are doing well and doing good. Stay blessed, stay happy and stay tuned to my channel obviously by subscribing it. And if you are new to my channel, then make sure you press the bell icon. In this way you can get all new notifications of my latest videos. So guys, we start our video today. I know you are waiting for, so your wait is over. Let's start the video. As you can see, I am presenting beautiful short bob, long bob haircut ideas with shaggy bob, layered bob, wolf bob, lob bob and pixie bob haircut ideas with bangs and without bangs. These all haircut ideas are really amazing, outstanding that these haircuts will inspire you to get them as early as possible as you watch them. So ladies, don't waste the time. Just pick up your favorite fun hairstyle among them by taking screenshot, or you can also download this video as well. Then go to your hairstylist and take any one hairstyle which you like. And let me know also through comment section that which hairstyle you select for yourself. I hope you like the video. If you do, you can share this video to your friends, family members and social contacts. In this way they will get updated with fashion and trend because I make video on fashion and trend always. These all hairstyles are really gorgeous that after getting them you will be ready to go anywhere anytime, like kitty parties, functions, get-togethers, because these all hairstyles are easy to carry and fashionable in looking. These all hairstyles are really gorgeous that if any overage lady adopt this hairstyle, she will look like younger than her age as well, because all young girls and teenagers are getting these hairstyles, and these hairstyles suits every age girl and lady. You can try them. So guys, thanks for watching the video. Keep watching, keep sharing and keep supporting the channel and keep supporting me as well. Your support is really honor to me and give me energy and boost me to make video for you guys according to you guys next. So guys, I will be there in next video with one of your and other favorite topic. And again, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Your support is really honor to me. So take care yourselves. God bless you all. Remember me in your prayers and have a great hair day.